What is up, guys? It's Killam Gaming here. Welcome to another video of FR Legends. And yes, I'm gonna go back to my garage. This is my modded APK downloaded FR Legends. One of my videos, I showed you how to do it, and go check out that video. So what we got here? I only got one car. I'm about to get a new one. I got an empty slot. I installed and reinstalled it so I can restart because I didn't like the cars I have. You know, I could have just sold them. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and my Lexus, because it's a Lexus. I'm not sure what type, but I know it's a Lexus. Not sure if it's... Alright, so we're gonna do some customization to it. First, just gonna start out with the engine swap. Done. Back, engine upgrade. As you can see, none of my money is going down at the top, so yeah. It's a limited money modded, so. I'm gonna move my back, turbo kit, buy, turbo kit upgrade. I actually don't have an engine in my other car. Well, I mean, like, I have an engine in it, but it's not... Everything's upgraded, but I don't have, like, this type of engine that I have in this one right here. Go to... customizations. I wonder what turbo kits they got... Well, body kits they got for this. Oh, that sucks. Okay, never mind. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the hood. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. Hood, U. Okay. Front bumper. It's kind of like GTA when you get the feeling when you get like a new car or something. You're like, what bumper should I get? Or, well, yeah, or like, what bumper should I get? Or it's like, oh my god, I can't believe they have this bumper for it. I'm going to buy that. Exhaust. Spoiler. Alert. Fenders. That's fine. Front fenders. That's amazing. Fine. Skirts. Done. Back bumper. Oh, that's what it is. I want to do my back bumper. Okay, you know, I'm doing my rims first then because it just... I'll go with something like these and keep that color. I'm giving some medium. Bye. Roof. So we got for the roof, guys. Okay, never mind. Oh yeah, let me go to headlights. Let's see what we got for headlights. I'm gonna do no headlights because it's gonna be like a car made for drifting. I'm looking at something. Sorry, guys. Then we done about did it all, but now I'm gonna go to my... Oh, mirrors. No mirrors. Okay. Damper. So I'm gonna slam it. Front camber. Rear camber. Front flare. Rear flare. Wait a minute. Rims. am I going? Alright. Hood. Roof spoiler. Oh, let's see what we got for. Gonna put the roof spoiler on there. Brake. Do that purple. Gonna spray paint it, then I'll do the inside. Engine hose. Do purple. This is gonna be the purple people eater. Skulls. That looks bad. Paint. Body. Oh, we got a good color for this. Green looks pretty bad. Don't look good at all. I don't like the purple, actually. Let's go with something like you. I don't like that either. No. I like that. I'm gonna go with that. Alright, now I'm gonna change the rims to a different color, actually, guys. With you. Oh, I'm gonna buy the black. That black looks so good on that. Alright, time to do the interior. Handbrake. Red. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So I'm back, and I got the humongous handbrake. Looks really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna hit back. I'm gonna go gauges. That's nice. Speedometer. That's nice. Seat. I'm gonna go with the all red. Shifter. Go with the purple shifter. Yep, here we go. There we go. Roll cage. Roll cage. Roll cage. Roll cage. Oh, I gotta move my thing. Roll cage. I wish you could change the color of the roll cage. And if you can, comment down below. There we go. Look at the Lexus. Okay, so we're gonna play. We're gonna go to practice. And then we're gonna go to EMB circuit. I meant EBM circuit, sorry. Alright, here we go. I don't know why. I always drift around this corner. I have no idea why. I've always drifted around this corner, even though you're just not supposed to. You're supposed to just drive normal. Always drift around this corner. Alright. Going around the corner. Smooth criminal. Michael Jackson. Alright. Oh, this car handles good on this track. Alright. Okay, here we go. Here we go. No. Okay, never mind. That's up. See? I'm gonna try some other. I'm gonna do from the inside and see how good I am at. Forgot to change the steering wheel. Oh, how dumb am I? Very dumb, I guess. I'm gonna change that next. Alright, let's change it. Nope. Home. Okay. Guys, sorry to do this long video of nothing, but this is my setup on my Lexus. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. It's gonna say, are you okay? But, guys, next time I'm gonna put a new steering wheel on there. I'll get back with you. Thank you, guys, for watching Kill Gaming and me playing Fr Legends on the modded thing. Go to my other video. Watch it. Then, you'll be able to, download it. It's super easy. Took me like 2 minutes. And, guys, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.